Walk a little bit. Okay, here we are heading for the butterfly house here at the Miller Nature Preserve in Avon, Ohio, right on the corner of Route 83. Route 83 in Avon, Ohio. This is the garden area, and we just left the courtyard. Walking bridge here over a pond. And now we're entering the herb garden area.
What's the house over there?
That's the butterfly house.
Oh.
We'll walk around and get to it. Just beautiful gardens here. This nice. Oh, look at the courtyard from this angle. There you go. You're not allowed in there without me, Emma, so don't even think about it. Okay, go ahead, girls.
Don't touch butterflies. Can't touch butterflies. Look at the one that just
Yeah, let's see. Oh, this is pretty.
Some of the butterflies that are on the stones.
Okay. All right.
they're really pretty, aren't they?
Boy, there are all kinds of them here, huh? Let me step in front of you here just for a second. It's really pretty. Drinking the nectar out of the flowers. Let's see this guy busy, hard at work there. Here's one.
Oh, Emma, come here and look at the orange ones.
They're sticking their proboscis down into the flowers.
Alright, we're trying not to.
Beautiful.
Nectar.
There's a pretty one down here working on a purple flower.
Yeah, no, wait.
I'm pretty sure because
There's some pretty ones here, green.
oh, look at that one right there. Poppy.
Look at on the wall.
Oh, that's a big one, huh? Get a shot of that one. That's beautiful markings, huh? Yeah, I got the green ones. Here's another one. They've sure got a lot of them.
The reason why I'm pretty sure is because when they don't get their orange.
They're all so different, aren't they? You have your orange.
How many do you estimate you have in here?
I have no idea. They don't tend to stand still so much.
Yeah.
They get